Iligan is a beautiful place to do business. Daghan pa taglihokon. Your question is how you can attract an investor for Iligan, no? I will go back kada kong bisyo, no? Dahil mga comparison about Cagayan de Oro and other places, no? If you will look at Iligan, mora dyan to, present mo ang Iligan is a better and a safe place to live, work, and do business. The rest will follow. If you will look at Camiguin, ang main con nila is all about tourism. But the safety and security of Camiguin, makita nimo. So, ang mga tourists, dili mahadlok mo suroy. Sa Iligan, pwede na ito nabuhaton just to expose Iligan na this is a better place to live, work, and do business. We have a lot of things to do dito sa Iligan. We can do that kung magtinabangay dyan. Tunuray lang. So, we should unite. Matabangan to Iligan. We just try to help Iligan nga na matrabahoan ba. Iligan is a beautiful place to do business. Kinahanglan dyan na siya, but daghan pa taglihokon dyan.